Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Audi A1. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. So into Bluetooth, Bluetooth on, that's on there. And then from any screen, so it's already picked up Audi MM 4223, but from any screen into telephone, and then it's showing search for new mobile. If for any reason it's not on that screen, I'll just take it down there and into something else, Bluetooth. So if for any reason it's not on that screen I've just shown you and it comes up on another, just click back until you've got search for new mobile phone. We click on that. Please check the Bluetooth is activated. While it is, continue. It's looking for the Bluetooth phone. Taking its time. It's there, it's brought up Barry's iPhone 10. Click on that. Hands-free. The connection's been established. There you go. Does this pin match the pin on your Bluetooth device? 789550. Well, yes, it does. So we click pair there and we click yes on the screen. I don't want it to allow my contacts and favorites to sync because I won't be using the car again, but you will. So you'd put allow, and I've just disallowed it. Connection's been established. That's it. It's done.